Foodie, let's eat!
Hello again, foodies. This is another Foodie Friday reveal that we are doing today. And we are going to be talking about going to Costco and our experiences with those taster tables that they have throughout the store. Our oldest daughter used to call them Taster's Choice. We had a big kick out of that when she was little. She'd go, let's go to Costco and have some Taster's Choice. So it was kind of funny about that. So this week we are going to try one of those Taster's Choice that we found the last time we went. And they are some fancy gourmet cheeses that are the Boursin brand. So can you see that right there? The purple box says shallot and chive, and the green box is garlic and fine herbs. We're going to take a taste of them. Summer is not a fan of cheese whatsoever, even though occasionally I will sneak some into her meals when she doesn't know it. But if she knows there's cheese in it in the first place, she will most of the time refuse to even give it a taste. But today, hopefully we can get her just to have a little taste because she likes crackers enough that maybe she'll give it a shot. Alrighty? So the very first one we're going to be trying is the shallot and chive, which is that one. We're just going to use them on a cracker. And so we're going to take a little spoonful right here. We're going to spread it on the cracker right here. That one's for Papa.
Try it.
Yep. I'll put even a teenier tiny little bit on the cracker for Summer. There. So take that one. And I will get me one.
Wait a second.
Okay, see, now we all got our little crackers. Let's go ahead and take a bite. See what we think. That is very tasty.
It's good.
It is good. Summer, is it as horrible as you were thinking, or do you think you like it? Yeah, that's what we figured. She's just not a cheese person. I at least wanted to involve her in the video. I asked her to be cooperative and just try one.
That'll be more for me.
Yeah. So, now the next one is the garlic and fine herb. And I'll put some on for Papa right here.
Can I have a cracker?
Yes, I will get you a cracker.
Just a cracker.
I know. You just want just a cracker. There's mine. I know you don't want to try this one. I figured not. Here's your one cracker. Okay, Papa, ready? I like that one even a little bit better. Very, very tasty. I think that they're a keeper.
Yep, good.
You know, they would even make a really good stuffing if you're doing stuffed chicken breast or something like that.
Yeah.
Because we like to do that kind of thing. Because it has kind of a cream cheese type feeling to it with different herbs and spices in it. And I bet you that would be a really good stuffing for chicken breast.
But not real heavy.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be real heavy
That's
at
what
all.
I'm saying. It's kind of light,
Very, very tasty.
dippable.
So there you have it, folks. I don't know if we're pronouncing it right, but it's the Boursin fine cheeses, and it comes in a 3-pack. You get 2 of the green ones and 1 of the purple one in a 3-pack. And I think it was on special for like $9.99 that week that we went. So we are very satisfied and happy with that. So look forward to some other new reviews coming along the way. Sorry we haven't been around for very much in the last few weeks. This work camping job has kept us very, very busy. We're putting in over 35 hours a week each, and then trying to get schoolwork done in between there for summer, and trying to explore the area so we can have our videos coming out for the things that we've seen around here. So we look forward to getting back on the channel and sharing our adventures with you. We hope that you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you on the road. And remember to what?
To
Always take the scenic
route.
That's right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
Bye.